What up everybody, Parkable here. As you can see, we've got a little bit of a different type of video going on today. So basically, we're going to be replacing this carpet with laminate flooring. Now, here are the tools we're working with. Pretty much everything here is from Harbor Freight, which you can get. I will say, if you replace this guy with the corded version and this with a handsaw, you could get everything you need here for about $100. So pretty much we're going to start with ripping this carpet out, and then we will be pulling all the nails out of the floor, and then we'll be installing the laminate. So let's take a look. Alright, here we are again. Carpet is pulled. So now what we're going to be doing is coming around. We're going to be pulling up those boards with all those nails on it. And everywhere you see here where this carpet is still stuck to the floor, there's staples there that we got to pull. And then once this floor is all clean, we'll be back to lay the underflooring for the laminate. And then we can get started on the actual floor. It's coming along well. we're gonna clean all of this up. Then we'll be pulling up the trim, cutting the baseboard in the door trim, and then we can start setting the floor pretty much. Well, we still gotta set that underfloor too, but yeah, on to the next. All right, we got it all nice and cleaned up now. Check it out. So, next we are gonna start removing the trim, which I've never done before, so bear with me. This is gonna be a little bit of a learning experience together, I think. All right, I watched the video. So, fuck it. I'm gonna do what they did and hope for the best. Basically started anywhere, exactly like, well, let's look at the picture. Here it is. Okay, well, we'll get some. Alright. Now we take our right, nothing for you, right? Okay. Get some there. It's right in the middle, nice, right there. Alright, let's repeat that for the rest of the room, and then we'll be right back. Alrighty, we got all of the trim removed. So now, what we're gonna do is take a piece of our flooring, and we're gonna be cutting our door trim down here, which isn't a whole lot. Let me see if I can zoom in there. Yeah, so that's gonna go right there, and then we're gonna use our multi-tool with that flush blade to go ahead and cut that door trim right there. Do that on both sides. Alright, now we just need to do closet. One more cut here. got it all cleaned up here. Got all the trim out. And now it's time to lay down this underflooring that we got.